Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this flash mount ceiling lamp for viewing purposes. Here we have the installation manual, the remote control, and the proper main unit, okay? It seems like an easy installation and it comes protected with this box. As you can see, it has a really nice, beautiful gold finish, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you will see, installing this lamp, it's really simple, and I think that it can be perfect to place it in your entrance door or where you need it. I think that it's gonna be really nice, a hallway, your bedroom, dining room, wherever you place it.